means enjoy, right? But I bet you don't know the other 6 meanings. Let's find out. Hi, my name's Damien, and I'm the English sledgehammer that smashes down language barriers. And this whole series is about getting smarter with vocabulary. Depth, not breadth. Well, breadth is getting to know lots of words, but not really knowing how to use them. While depth is getting to really know the important words in English and be able to use them in conversation and writing. All the words in this series are taken from the Essential Word List, which contains the top 560 words in English, categorised by frequency or importance. Today we're focusing on like. All the other words you don't need. Now, like is a really flexible word and fits into lots of different categories in the word family. It has a form for verbs like and would like for requests. Also, it has likes and dislikes for a noun or just likes. And we also have it as a preposition of like to mean similar, and also just like as like a pause filler. Okay, let's look at some core meanings with example sentences. Number 1, enjoy or to enjoy something. I like watching TikTok videos of dogs skateboarding. Like as a noun. For example, my video got 1,000 likes. Come on, please, just give me a like, please. You can use like as a preposition to mean similar to. I look like Peter Crouch and Napoleon Dynamite, unfortunately. Or a polite request. I would like some bugs with my burger. Or a pause filler, like, I think we're really at the end of this section. Like. Don't use like with a bare infinitive. I like dance in the shower. I like dancing or to dance in the shower. Collocations are words that commonly go together. Learn these and you'll be more fluent in English. 2 good collocations for the enjoy meaning of like are really like and quite like. For the similar meaning of like, we use some sense type words such as look like, feel like, smells like, or exactly like. Don't forget to see the links below for Play Phrase Me, a great website that allows you to see collocations used in spoken English. Like is one of the most frequently used words in English. This is because it sits in so many different word classes and can be used in many different ways. To find out more, why don't you check an online dictionary? So, that's like everything you're gonna need to know about how to use like. Now it's over to you. Try writing 3 example sentences in the comments below, and I'll try and give you some feedback on your grammar. Also, remember to do everything like, as we've been talking about, subscribe, and ring that bell to make sure you keep up to date with all my videos.